So from the truck sitting and having a little bit of a moisture leak here and there, it has started to get some mold inside in a few places. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Even on the rubber mat where I had something sitting, it's got some mold growing in it. So we're gonna have to tackle that too before I start driving it too much. That shouldn't be terrible to take care of, but it is a problem. You can see it in the carpet there. It's popped up a few spots in the seats. Different places like that. Typical mold places. There it is. And that's from, yep, those rust holes. Great salt of Ohio. Clean that up though. As for the Pt1 job, got a bunch of the oil and everything off, but as you can see, there is quite a bit still under here. So what I think I'm gonna do is I've got to get all that oil off before I can do the Pt1, or it's just not going to stick. It's not going to do its job. So unfortunately, I think for the time being in the south, the rust shouldn't have anything to help it along down here as much as it would up there, up north. And if you look up here around the transmission and stuff, obviously I've not pulled the heat shield down, but up here for the most part is actually not all that bad. So I am comfortable putting the transmission stuff back in for now. Engine mounts are, of course, they're going to be rusty. They're raw steel. And handling the rust issue in the Pt1 later, because what I want to do is basically put it up on lift, get under it with a pressure washer while it's up on a lift, where I can actually get into all these spaces right here. Because yeah, it's just not going to work the way I want to do it underneath the truck laying on the ground. But I think tonight I'm going to start seeing if I can't get the transmission put back in. Last night I helicoiled the strip bolt hole that's in it. What else did I do last night? Well, bolted the oil pan back on it. Blew out the bellows housing of any of the debris from all that stuff, and the transmission is pretty much ready to go back in. So I think that's what I'm going to do tonight. Set you up for a time lapse for that, and we'll see how it goes. Don't know if y'all can see this issue or not, but here's what I'm fighting and why it's taking me so long to do something that should not be this hard with a nice jack like this. My jack does not have the corner pieces, and I thought I could go without fabricating them, but it's kicking my butt. But the big issue is this hump on the oil pan will not stay on the plate where I need it to. If I get it to stay on the plate, it'd be golden. Second issue I have is my tilt adjust. I don't know if you can see it. It's actually deformed pretty well. So if I try to turn the handle, it just turns the handle and not the screw. So I'm fighting those three things right now. That's what's taking me forever to do this. I'm probably going to bring it back down again, reseat it on the plate, because I almost had it, and try that again. Here goes nothing. what you just saw was my nightmare. That was 2 hours of trying to get the transmission hung and failing horribly. Almost got it lined up once before I realized that the jack is messed up and does not tilt side to side like it's supposed to because the pivot screw is bent out of shape basically. Yeah, so we're going to try again today. Today's Friday. Wednesday I had 2 details after work, and then yesterday I did plasma, and then I drove 4 hours round trip to go pick up a set of 4 used shocks that need to be rebuilt because while I was under the truck messing with the transmission, I noticed that the driver's side front coil spring is broken completely in 2 down near the bottom, so it needs a new coil spring. So I secured 4 shocks, 2 fronts, 2 rears for $200 plus some gas money and my time. So that will get changed as well, but small score there. Today we're going to try again with the transmission. And the goal is to have the truck on its wheels and running sometime tonight. Definitely before tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to help Dad do some work, and I would like to have my truck back to go over there. So here we go.
Look at you, like a little toddler. Crawling.
It's a lot heavier like this though.
Hell yeah, it is. And you're blinding the fuck out of me.
Ah, wait, stop.
I know.
Do not pull.
I'm not. I see you.
I could just see you going to pull it to help me and just yanking the necklace off my neck.
Nope, I had you. I saw it.
Thank you. Because that's Grandma's.
Up there. If you can help me get it up.
I'll help you get it up. Move.
Move where?
Out of the way.
Where?
Out of the way.
Why you want to chest lift it like a fucking hero?
I feel like it's going to be the easiest way.
It's really not.
I feel like it is.
Okay, so you're gonna put a bitch on your chest and bench press it up. Maybe. And then you want me to guide it. Is that what you want to do?
Yeah, I'm going to jack.
Okay, good.
Ow, I just scratched my armpit.
Oh, great.
You gotta move.
I'm trying to. I gotta lift it right here. Give me a hold, and I'm gonna have to hold it right here. You hoe.
This is so gay.
Hey, hang on, hang on. Alright, hang on.
This is so fucking
Right,
gay.
tail shaft, spin it.
Oh. Why don't you spin this?
Can't. This is fucking neutral up here.
Okay.
You dildo.
I can't spin it now.
Drop the back end down some.
It will not spin now.
Okay, it's okay. You're on it.
It's on.
Hang on a minute. I'm trying to put a bolt
I'm
in.
trying to get my head out of your armpit.
What's wrong with it? You don't
I
like
think it'd be more comfortable for you.
You don't like it? You don't like it being in my armpit?
You want deep or shallow?
You're gonna need shallow most places. I don't think deep's gonna go in.
What is it, a 14?
Here's
16?
one. Here's one if you want to check it.
Trick it. These were 35 foot posts too, right?
Yeah, these were 35. So you're gonna need another one. Because I'm done on my side.
No, I've got all mine on my side.
No,
I
you
think there's
don't.
2 on top, sir. On each side of the center line. I'm right, aren't I? Aren't I?
I don't know about it.
I'm right!
I don't
He's
know,
wrong.
but I would fucking not feel like doing hunters on this bitch.
No, dude. Oh my god.
Look at that.
But do you know what they charge to do them?
$3 grand.
It's fucking stupid.
It's fucking stupid.
It's extortion stupid.
It's stupid. You know what?
I'll go home.
I don't have to be here.
You can do it by yourself.
As a matter of fact.
I feel like I'll be a lot more comfortable at home. In my running Raptor. Driving home.
Let me get in my running car and put it in drive and get the fuck out of here.
The level of retardation under this truck right now.
We ain't even got that far.
Yep.
Shaft me! I shall insert shaft.
Oh my god. Alright, we're gonna go with these are gonna be tight enough without hitting torque.
I would be fine. As long as you feel comfortable that they're tight, I wouldn't worry about it because you're stretching those anyway.
Yeah, I don't really feel like I am.
You stretch.
I hope they're not supposed to be single use.
I'm sure they are.
Oh, of course they are. Why the fuck wouldn't they be?
Raptor tax.
They're aluminum, dumbass. You think you use them more than once?
You're a horse's ass. But you know what? It's gonna come and help you out just fine. It's gonna help Joshy's truck to go down room down the road.
Go room down the road. Hey, go room. Hey, do that room again. Did you see that video?
Yeah, and then it goes.
No, with the cop.
No.
Oh, it's a cop at a car meet.
Oh no.
Yeah.
I remember part of that, but I didn't see the whole thing. I don't think. Oh shit! Sorry.
Hi.
Lint tube right here.
Hi.
I got it.
No, not that tube, but the fitting. Where's the fitting?
Right here, bro.
Oh, it goes
That's what
under.
I'm saying. I'm trying to get you the hose where it needs to go, bro. Shove your hose right in the. Ah! I gotta be a dickhead. What I'm saying,
Yeah.
the dude was so mind blown because I told him I'm giving him some parts to go with it, like spares and shit.
Uh-huh.
He did not understand how many fucking spares we're talking. So I keep pulling shit out off the shelf.
More.
The dude's like, I'm so glad I brought a trailer. It's like, yeah, I know.
Hey, pull that hose back off.
Why?
Because I don't really like the way it's looped around here. I'm going to feed it under here.
Why? I don't like that.
Well, feed it under because there's a clip over there somewhere.
He's not. He's missing.
There is.
It's
I saw it earlier.
It's missing.
Bullshit. I saw it.
Fucking missing.
I saw the damn thing. Right there.
That's not for that. That's not tied off properly. It's tied.
How was it tight?
Get down! Out the fucking eyeball.
What is up that bolt? Look at that bolt.
What bolt?
Look at that.
Yeah, what about it?
What is that?
Don't worry about it.
Nothing. Don't worry about it, bolt.
Don't worry about it, Mo. Alright, Paul. I'm gonna need you to get this thing.
Oh, hey. Oh, it don't reach.
What? No, it don't. I was looking at that. Listen,
Hey, cross member or light pipe?
no Wi-Fi.
Starter.
We can do the starter in a minute.
Don't you want to do the starter before the cross member?
Yes, you do. Actually, yes. And I was gonna say, you're not gonna bolt this in and then put the exhaust on. You gotta put the exhaust into the cross member holder.
Oh, got it.
Yeah, and then you, with the exhaust Y-pipe, have to bolt this bitch in.
No, I had the cross member out before the white pipe came out.
Yeah, but not the mount part of it.
Yeah, I had all this out before I got the white pipe out. Like, this was sitting over there while the white pipe was still hanging. Sorry, what? I just poked your eye?
No.
Oh.
Do whatever you want to do.
Do whatever you want to do. God, I don't care anymore, okay? Just do what you want. Just go hang out with your friends, okay? If that's what you want to do, just go hang
going at this point. Because
Here, let's do electrical.
once it's dark, I'm past my bedtime.
You know, man.
Yeah?
Here, let's do electrical.
Yeah,
Since you didn't want to feed this shit to me beforehand.
yeah, you got plenty of room.
Oh, yeah, totally. Plenty of room. Let me tell you.
Yeah,
So much room. See, I feel like that needs to go under those trans lines.
Yeah, well, now it goes over them.
No, it needs to go where it needs to go.
Hang on. There you go.
Let's do it right.
Josh says, let's do it right.
That's right. I said
What fucking planet are we on?
it. The planet of Josh has a Raptor and can't afford to fix it again.